When it comes to creating a home that stands out in Orangeburg, South Carolina, every detail matters. From the architectural design to the finishing touches, homeowners in this charming region often seek ways to personalize their spaces while enhancing functionality and aesthetics. Custom awning windows are an excellent solution for those looking to add both character and practicality to their unique Orangeburg home designs. Why choose custom awning windows? Awning windows, characterized by their top hinge design that swings outward, are a timeless option that blends style and performance. These versatile windows are especially valuable for Orangeburg homeowners who desire a balance of ventilation, energy efficiency, and visual appeal. Opting for custom awning windows allows homeowners to tailor the size, materials, finishes, and configurations to match their home's distinctive design. Exceptional ventilation. Orangeburg's mild climate often invites homeowners to embrace fresh air. Awning windows excel in providing excellent ventilation, even during light rain. Their outward opening design creates a natural barrier, allowing airflow without letting water enter the home. This makes them an ideal choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and other spaces where ventilation is essential. Customization for unique design. Orangeburg is known for its variety of home styles, from charming bungalows to contemporary masterpieces. Custom awning windows can be designed to complement any architectural aesthetic. Whether your home features rustic brick, sleek siding, or historic charm, awning windows can be customized in materials like wood, aluminum, or vinyl, and finished in colors that harmonize with your home's palette. Energy efficiency. The modern custom awning windows are crafted with advanced technologies that prioritize energy efficiency. Insulated glass options, low-E coatings, and airtight seals can help Orangeburg homeowners reduce energy costs while keeping interiors comfortable year-round. This is particularly beneficial during South Carolina's hot summers and cooler winters. Design ideas for Orangeburg homes. Enhancing outdoor views. Awning windows are a perfect choice for maximizing Orangeburg's scenic landscapes. Their design allows for uninterrupted views and a sleek, minimalist appearance. Place them above large picture windows or on their own to frame lush gardens or charming streetscapes. Pairing with other window styles. For a truly unique look, combine awning windows with other styles. For example, pairing awning windows with tall casement windows can create a striking effect that enhances natural light and ventilation. This combination works beautifully in living rooms, dining areas, and sunrooms. Adding charm to smaller spaces in bathrooms, laundry rooms, or stairwells, awning windows bring in natural light without sacrificing privacy. Frosted or textured glass can further enhance privacy while allowing light to filter through. Creating a focal point. Custom awning windows can serve as a standout feature in your home. Consider incorporating them into a custom-shaped frame or grouping them in creative configurations to draw attention to specific architectural elements. The Orangeburg Advantage. Orangeburg's rich history and community-focused culture make it a special place to call home. Choosing custom awning windows for your Orangeburg property allows you to capture the spirit of the area while meeting your specific needs. These windows offer a blend of form and function that aligns perfectly with the region's emphasis on beauty and practicality. Whether you're renovating a historic property or designing a modern haven, custom awning windows provide an opportunity to infuse your personal style into your home. They're especially well suited to Orangeburg's weather, offering durability and resilience to stand up to the area's humid summers and occasional storms. Partnering with the right expert, choosing the right custom window provider is key to achieving the best results. Look for professionals who understand the unique needs of Orangeburg homeowners and offer a wide range of customization options. A reputable provider will guide you through the process, from selecting materials and finishes to ensuring precise installation. Conclusion: custom awning windows are an excellent choice for Orangeburg homeowners who value style, efficiency, and functionality. With their ability to enhance ventilation, provide energy savings, and adapt to various home designs, these windows are a smart investment for any property. By incorporating custom awning windows into your home design, you can create a space that's both unique and perfectly suited to Orangeburg's distinctive charm. If you're ready to elevate your home's design, consider exploring the many possibilities that custom awning windows offer. From enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal to improving comfort and energy efficiency, they're a choice you won't regret.